Thank you, Travis. So, for my part of the presentation is the business benefits. South Africa's middle class has doubled over the last 8 years, which is very good for businesses entering the market. You know, they have a wide target audience to hit from a growing from past of 1.7 million Africans to 4.2 million, which really expands the market for businesses. Uh, South Africa is ranked 39th in the world for the ease of doing business. Again, for businesses entering a market, it's just with ease. You know, they can join it without huge competition. You know, there's no real like monopoly on certain types of fast food to cell phone to cars. There's no real monopoly business there. So each new business entering the South African markets have a great chance to do well. The starting a business in Africa is absolutely great. It only costs zero point 0.3 of income per capita, as opposed to some other nations costing up to 6%. It just again, opening a business in South Africa is just it's a place that you can't miss. The construction, building your business is easy. The permits and getting the required procedures done is very easy. It only takes 13 as opposed to the United States 127. You know, you don't have to go through, you don't have to know someone, you don't have to do certain things. It's just boom, easy and done. South Africa also, it takes 23 days to register a property under your name or the company name, while in other nations as it takes much longer. That's also just like if you want to do quick, just you come up with a great idea and you want it there and done fast, boom, it's easy.